Today, I'll show you how to buy Grammarly Premium, a tool that can elevate your writing by offering advanced grammar and style suggestions. Whether you're a student, a professional writer, or just someone who writes a lot, Grammarly Premium can really make a difference. So, let's dive right into the process of upgrading your account. First, you'll need to navigate to Grammarly.com. Once you're there, log into your existing account. If you're already logged in, you'll find yourself on your account dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for managing your Grammarly settings and preferences. Now, take a look at the left-hand menu column. You should see an option labeled Account. Click on it. This will open up a new set of options, and from there, you'll want to click on Try Grammarly Pro. This option is your gateway to exploring Grammarly's premium features. Once you've selected Try Grammarly Pro, you'll have the opportunity to click on Get Pro. This is an important step because it will guide you toward the different subscription tiers available for Grammarly Premium. These tiers are designed to offer flexibility depending on your needs and budget. Next, you'll need to choose the Grammarly Pro tier that suits you best. If you're not sure which one to pick, consider how often you write and whether you'll benefit from the additional features. Grammarly offers 3 billing cycles to fit various needs: annual, quarterly, and monthly. Toggle between these options to see which one aligns best with your financial preferences and how long you anticipate needing premium access. After selecting your billing cycle, it's time to move on to the payment method. Grammarly accepts all major credit cards and PayPal, so you can choose the one that's most convenient for you. Having multiple payment options ensures that you can complete your purchase securely and without hassle. Now, you'll need to fill in your billing information. Make sure to double-check all the details to avoid any issues with your subscription activation. Once everything looks correct, click on Place Order or Update Plan. This action will instantly activate your premium workspace features, giving you immediate access to all the benefits of Grammarly Premium. Grammarly Premium offers a comprehensive set of tools designed to improve your writing clarity, engagement, and correctness. With features like advanced grammar checks, vocabulary enhancement suggestions, and even genre-specific writing style checks, you'll find yourself writing with more confidence than ever before. And there you have it. You've successfully upgraded to Grammarly Premium. Enjoy exploring all the features that come with your new subscription. If you ever have any questions or need further assistance, Grammarly's support team is just a click away, ready to help you make the most out of your premium experience. This simple guide has walked you through how to purchase Grammarly Premium. Now you can enjoy improved writing with ease and confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.